Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss the topic about scheduling algorithms in operating system. Generally what is scheduling algorithm is, it is the method for an operating system uses to determine which process is executed at the time. So what are the primary goals of this scheduling algorithm is, first one is maximize CPU utilization and minimize the waiting and turnaround time and fair resource allocation. This is the primary goals, and scheduling algorithms can be categorized in two ways. One is primitive, another one is non-primitive. First come first serve and SJF. First come first serve comes under the non-primitive. SJF is either primitive or non-primitive. Round robin comes under the primitive, and priority also. So anyone explain about first come first serve?
The first algorithm, first come first serve. In this method, the process, the RM gets first and executed first one. Just like people standing in a queue. Advantage is simple and easy to implement, and disadvantage long waiting time, causes effect when larger process first executed. If example, the process P1 takes 10 seconds, P2 takes 2 seconds, P2 must still wait P1 completes. Even though P2 is smaller, it cannot be executed before P1 because the FCFS follows the order of arrival only.
Okay.
FCFS is simple but not always efficient for sorted process.
And what about SJF?
SJF stands for shortest job first, ma'am. It executes first smallest burst time first, ma'am. The burst time means the execution completion time of the process, ma'am. In this problem, we take an example of canteen and some customers waiting for that. One person buy tea or anything, only one item, and the first person want to buy many things. The cashier will first billing the shortest person, the tea buyer. First he completes the tea buyer and then goes to the bigger process. Like that, the same the SJF works. First the shortest jobs are completed, the process is completed. After that the main process longest process are completed. The advantages, it has an average waiting time of lesser than FCFS, better CPU utilization, improves the throughput. The disadvantages, it has starvation of for long process waiting for more time, it gets starvation. Then
So this is the advanced. Starvation is the major disadvantages in FCFS, right? Sorry, SJF.
In the types, SJF non-preemptive, preemptive. The SJF comes under non-preemptive. In the preemptive, it is called SRTF, shortest remaining job first. In the preemptive, the process going and the smallest process job is come, and the process will interrupt and the easiest shortest process will continue and then execute the before process.
Okay. What about round robin algorithm?
I'll explain now. So round robin algorithm, that is, it schedules the CPU with quantum time. We have a quantum time, and in the particular time only every process need to execute. So if there is process 1, 2, 3, and it should be executed in 2 milliseconds. So first process 1 is getting into, and it completes in 2 milliseconds, and it goes, if the process is not completed fully, it goes to the end of the queue. Then process 2 is processed. Then if it completes, it moves, but if not completed, it goes again to the queue, end of the queue. Then process 3. After process 3, again 1 is executed again. So this is round robin scheduling. So the main advantage is every process have efficient time to execute, and this is round robin.
Okay, what about priority scheduling algorithms?
Let me explain the priority scheduling. A priority scheduling is the algorithm that is one among the CPU scheduling. So where the process is ready for executed, that is based on the highest priority. So the process is has the highest. Which process has the highest priority is to first to execute on the CPU scheduling. So let me explain how it works, ma'am. First, each process has the arrival time, burst time, and priority. So arrival time means the time that taken by the process to arrive, and the burst time is the process that is taken by to execute the process, and the priority. The priority is the which process has the highest priority. It's ready to for the next execution. So let me explain the advantages and disadvantages. The main advantage is it has highest flexibility, and the disadvantages it occurs of starvation. So the main problem in the priority scheduling is highest priority.
Okay, students, we have discussed about scheduling algorithms and its types. We'll see the FCF scheduling algorithms along with the example for the next video. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.